Welcome to EPG Pathsala. Myself is Chandrasekhar Barua, Assistant Professor working in Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Today's topic is how to deal with awkward questions, timings and indications, apology and pausing. Contents: Introduction, questions. What is an awkward questions? Awkward questions, how to handle awkward questions, impact of handling such questions on the tour guide, timings, indication, apology, some keywords, summary, questions, and references, recommendable books. Now the topic is introduction. An anxious tourist is full of queries on landing at the destination. He has come with lot of expectations. It is a common happening in any group tour that tourists ask few questions, look outward to the guide. Now, it is a great problem for him. He must know how to deal with complex questions. If he does not know he may feel embarrassed. At the first glance, discussion appears to be sufficiently simple. Introduction: many of the times a guide may go through some awkward situations while dealing with a group of tourists or tourists where he or she may face some questions and situation drafted by the tourist curiosity intentionally or unintentionally. The group dynamic of tourists may also influence this type of crafted situations. To deal with these situations, a guide must do certain things as under. Questions. Question is a linguistic expression for request of response in the form of information. Response in the form of information is provided by the respondent as answer. What is an awkward question? You talk, they argue. Isn't that so? In any case, at the point you wind up in one of those cumbersome circumstances where you are quite recently gazing at somebody you scarcely know and you need to make sense of how to keep the discussion intriguing. Here are the most widely recognized missteps we as a whole make and how to stay away from them. Awkward questions are debatable questions. These questions may create controversies. A tour guide must know what is an awkward question. Any questions related to any person, nation, religion, controversial topic is an awkward question. If it is a cause of losing privacy of the topic, we can put following questions into the category of awkward questions. Questions about personal life of any person. Tourists asking for purchase of any product which is banned in that area. Questions related to any controversial issue. Awkward questions. Client is not always well behaved or fully informed. All clients do not have good general knowledge about places, people, or geography. They may ask you questions which are actually awkward or silly. A tour guide must have tact to handle awkward questions. Thinking and planning about awkward questions will help you. You must stay calm while handling awkward questions. These awkward questions may be: have you ever fired from the job? How often have you driven with overspeed? What is your biggest regret? Do you sing in the bathroom? What was your first impression about me? Where does a wandering mind, thought go? About work, experience, you are looking inexperienced. Do you feel that you are overqualified for this job of tour guiding? Do you feel that you are underqualified for this job of tour guiding? About age, you are very old for tour guiding. You are pretty young for tour guiding. About disability, do not you feel that you cannot do guiding properly due to your problems? In the later, it is mentioned that you have eyesight problem. Question that should be avoided by the client: political affiliations, personal circumstances, spent conviction, religion, sexuality, gender, biasness, local rituals, traditions, questions about superstition, questions about belief system. How much do you earn presently? What do you consider the deepest secret of your life? Do you speak Hindi in India? How can I go to Europe via road? Will you take care of my pain when I'm away from the place? How to handle awkward questions. When clients raised any awkward questions, you feel that it is ridiculous, get control over yourself, never argue with the tourist, listen and let the client vent. Awkward questions pose a challenge for a tour guide. Being a tour guide, you must invite questions and handle strangest questions raised by the tourist. Listen your client very carefully. After listening, repeat the same so that other can listen it, or it is just a confirmation that no one has missed the questions. Now frame answer in your mind. If questions is an awkward question and you feel that you should not answer it, you can say that you are not ready to answer it at the moment, or you cannot answer it. It is better not to create any controversy to debate first. Response to an awkward question is that one must similar after listening the question, but if you are answering the question which is awkward in nature, your answer should be balanced answer. Tune into the client or tourist. Also show the tour group member that you care for them. Do not change your treatment with the particular group member due to awkward question. Your answer should not provide cushion for controversy. Answer must be framed properly. Do not take it personally. Present all schools of thoughts. Never even indulge in fight with a client on the question asked by him. Choose proper words. Do not personalize answer. Talk in proper tone. Keep your volume low while answering, but your voice should be audible. Do not elaborate awkward questions. Give brief answer. Do not repeat the awkward question again and again. Do not remind the client asking awkward questions again and again about his act. Do not try to please any individual by answering awkward questions. A kind of questioning or curiosity generated by tourists which relates the subject matter, like personal questions, questions related to controversial, debatable topics, topics related to religions, about their personal questioning, about sex, individual likings and disliking, and numerous other questions which can make someone uncomfortable while answering the same. For example, Anil, a tourist guide, was asked in between during his commentary that since how long you are married, how much money you earn by the profession, etc. All these types of questions may not necessarily have any relativity with the ongoing commentary or site interpreted by the tour guide. Handling this type of questions may be a difficult task for a professional, but being a service provider in tourism sector, a tour guide must not react aggressively on these pinching, personal questions or awkward questioning. Rather, one needs to approach this entire situation very cautiously and simply. Bypass the question by smiling or dealing diplomatically, like Mr. Anil may answer that marriage are fixed in heaven may not be discussed. And my curiosity for sex is little lesser than your expectation. Or he can answer with a smile that profession is for secrecy, for money and wealth. Such type of questions may not be treated to be answered directly, rather discuss them politely and with huge smile and good sense of humor. All such questions, queries must be dealt with tactfulness and courtesy. Under situation 1, aggressive tourists placing personal remarks and putting awkward questions in public solution seen first. First of all, situation need to be read and handled carefully by tour guide. Aggressiveness needs to be measured and simultaneously an effort of making a tourist calm and relaxed so far as his queries are concerned. Also need to be answered, but the moral of answering needs not to be straight, rather in courteous manner. Degree of politeness is highly required to deal with such tourists and their queries. Even after situation, a personal interaction may be confined by the tour guide so that individual, that is tourist, may always be empathetic with tour guide. Degree of freedom for tourists is nowhere bounded, but of course tour guide must set his degree of patience for such heating, arguing touristic queries. Scene 2. Another approach towards dealing with this type of touristic behavior is to be practical enough and not to entertain such questions on direct notions. But there is a great difference between scene 1 and scene 2 to tackling the same situation. In this scene, guide must have a reputation among the tourists so that he or she may take the situation in such critical manner where the tourist ego and angriness may be dealt with a little assertiveness, and also try to make tourists feel respected while denying his or her type of queries. But here in second scene, tour guide find himself more controlled as far as group is concerned, and his deal with query may necessarily needs to make rest of the tourist happy always. Situation 2. Queries on religious issues and practices. Solutions. Scene 1. To deal with this kind of situation, a tourist guide must have a neutral behavior towards all the religions, philosophies, and must not act prejudicially about any set of the religion at any time. Even his own opinion needs to be clearly quoted that this is my personal opinion, as an individual. Religions and religious philosophies need to be expressed accurately and without any mix and match opinion. Since a tour guide is always a cultural ambassador of the country, and religions is always a very personal and sensitive topic, since it is also associated with the cultural diversity of the country as well. Example, like if Mr. John is preaching about Buddhism site or Buddhist philosophy, he needs to be neutral enough during his commentary, his discussion, and handling the questions concerned. Even as an individual, Mr. John, the message needs to be provocative himself as a perfect professional tour guide, beyond any prejudice about the context. Even comparisons between the different religion aspects must not be entertained by the tourist guide at any situation, though questions may be entertained courteously with all dignity of religion concerned. Situation 3. You are at Taj Mahal, Agra. After finishing the commentary, tourists started asking questions to you. Solution. A If question is not known to you, smile with good gesture, say him thanks for asking questions, or say that is a really a good query. I am happy that you have asked this. So if I understand you correctly, you have asked that. I am afraid that it is not my expertise field. I am sure that someone else may answer this question. Can anyone answer it? Solution B. If question is awkward, if question is not known to you, smile with good gesture, say him thanks for asking questions, or say that is really a good query. I am happy that you have asked this. I am afraid that it is not my expertise field. This question is personal in nature, so it cannot be answered. Question number 4. Question D. You have the latest forecast sales of tourists arrival in Bangladesh. Answer, smile and say thanks for asking question. Just to make sure I give you the answer, are you asking for the latest forecast sales of the tourist arrival in Bangladesh? Clarification given by tourists who asked questions. I don't have the answer for that now, but I have a friend of mine who can answer that query. Can we meet after the commentary and exchange contact details? I will then ask him and get you the answer right away. Tourist agrees. Thanks for the question. Is there any other questions? Keeping these things in mind when handling awkward questions in commentary will allow you to see more prepared and make your commentary go more smoothly. Want more information on how to be a better tour guide? Next topic is impact of handling such questions on the tour guide after handling the awkward questions. You will feel confident enough to deal with clients and their queries. These queries might be absurd for you or awkward for you, but in many cases, client is also not aware that question is awkward or absurd, as they are from different culture. You will improve your commentary making. You will have more confidence to understand the psyche of the client. You will be able to optimize your commentary timings. You will be boosted to prepare, draft and present a good commentary. You will be able to sharpen your delivery, expertise and leave a good and long-lasting image in the heart of tour group members. You will be able to perfect your commentary and achieve the target. You will be able to embed key message about the tourism destinations to attract the client more. In fact, governments, stakeholders try to maximize a repeat rate of the tourist in India. You will also be able to merge your message with tourist interest area. You will be learn anticipating questions, hence it will become easier to answer in better way. You will be learn feeling stories with appropriate words. You will be able to connect with the group members. It will help and equip you with skills to handle difficult situations. Timings indication in tourism. Timings are very important. A tour guide must start well in advance to assign place. One of my friend working as a tour guide said that he has habit to wake up 4 hours before the reporting time so that he can reach their own time and get ready for the assignments mentally, physically and psychologically. Time sense of people vary with country to country. It is the duty of the tour guide to intimate a reporting time and meeting or assembly place of their next day. He must also give proper time to the coach driver. Tourists habituated to come late must be informed repeatedly to get confirmation that they will cooperate and will not disappoint their colleagues. accompanying them. Punctuality about timings depend on culture to culture. So, tour guide must do some homework and find out what is the culture of that country, from where group is arriving, and handle them accordingly. In few places, relationship is important, but at few places, timeliness is must. While guiding a tour, you must be conscious about timings. Be on time before starting attending questions of the tour. Group tell them the time for question, answer to avoid any disappointment. Follow itinerary given to you. Some group members never come on time given by the tour guide. They must be dealt tactfully. Otherwise, if they are left with the same habit, others will also start coming late and purpose of the tour will be spoiled. It may also infuriate other group members. Therefore, you must discuss with them separately and resolve the problem. Stevens Lawrence, 1919, apology. Apology is a regretful acknowledgement of any offense. Apology is a magic word in case of any complaint. First of all, meet the complainant. Offer him a glass of water, ask or inquire problem area. It is an act of saying sorry. It is an expression of regret for wrongdoing. It shows remorse for your action. It acknowledges the hurt that your action has created for someone else. Pausing temporary. Stop while speaking is a pause. When a tour guide is talking to a tourist or he is delivering commentary, it is important to take pause time to time. It is important for clients. If being a tour guide, you are speaking and talking pause to get confirmation or acknowledgement from clients that they can hear you or they can understand your words. Pause is very important in sentence formation. It is a cessation of activity due to some uncertainty or doubt also. It also implicates momentary hesitation. Keywords: controversial questions, sensitizing guide, tour manager, coach, baggage, tour leader, pausing, time sense. Summary: bring a tour guide, you have to be careful about handling questions from your clients when you feel that a particular question is awkward. You cannot answer. You must bypass it. Timing is very important in tourism industry. A person must be punctual about timings. A tourist cannot wait for a tour guide, but tour guide has to wait if flight is delayed. Apology is an act of excuse from or regretfulness. What is an awkward question? How will you identify that a particular question is an awkward question? Apology is an act of excuse from or regretfulness. Thank you very much.